Hi kids, today we are going to study class 7 chapter 1 integers, but the topic we are going to study is addition of integers. So the rule 1 that we are going to study in it is, this video we are going to talk about class 7 chapter 1 integers. In continuation to the previous video, we are going to talk about addition of integers. So our first rule is to add like signs, find sum of absolute values. To know what is absolute value, you can check my previous video. I'll share the link in my video description. And place the common sign. So now I'll take an example for clarification. For example, I have a number. Let's say you have to add plus 6 and plus 3. Now you have to add both the integers, and when you find the sum, in the end you have to place the common sign. Now what will be the absolute value of 6? The absolute value of 6 and absolute value of 3 is going to be 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Now what is the common sign with both the numbers? I have a common sign which is plus, so my answer is going to be plus 9. Let's take another example. If I say we have to add minus 9 and minus 3. Now again, what are we required to do? To add like signs, find the sum of absolute value. Now if I have to find out absolute value for minus 9, it is going to be plus minus 3. Now I have to find absolute value for both and then sum of these values. So absolute value of minus 9 is going to be 9. Then again absolute value of minus 3 is going to be 3. Answer comes out to be 12. Now what is my common sign here? The common sign is negative. So I am going to put a negative sign. This rule applies in the case where you have like signs. That is when both the numbers are either positive or both the numbers are either negative. Let's move on to rule 2. Now my rule 2 says, my rule 1 was about like signs, so my rule 2 is about unlike signs. So when you have to add two unlike signs, we will find the difference first of the absolute value. Whatever we get the absolute value of the given integers, then we're going to have the difference, and after that we are going to place the sign whichever is the larger absolute value. Let's understand with an example. So I have to add plus 8 and minus 11. Now here first I'm going to find out my absolute values. My absolute value for 8 is going to be 8 and my absolute value of 11 is going to be 11. Now what am I supposed to do? I have to find the difference. So 11 minus 8 gives me the answer 3. But can you tell me which integer has a larger absolute value? 11. 11 is greater than 8. So when I find out the absolute value for minus 11, it is 11. And when I see the absolute value of 8, it is 8. So 11 is greater than 8. So therefore I will use the sign of 11, which is negative. So if I have to add, my answer comes out to be minus 3. If I have to add plus 8 and minus 11, my answer will be minus 3. Alright. Now let's see another example for this type of rule. So we have to add these given numbers, these given integers. So first I'm going to find out the absolute value of minus 26 and minus 3. So whenever I have like signs, I'm going to add them and use the common sign. So I get 26 plus 3 gives me a 29, and with the common sign I will get the answer as minus 29. Now here I have 400, minus 31 and minus 71. So for common signs I'm going to apply rule number 1, and then with the two signs negative and positive I'm going to apply rule number 2. So if I have 400, minus 31 and minus 71, I'm going to apply my rule 1 to minus 31 and minus 71. So minus 31 plus minus 71 is going to give me absolute value 31 plus 71, which becomes 102. Since my common sign is negative, so I'm going to put a minus sign. Now I have to further add 400 and minus 102. Now I have two signs, positive and negative. So for this I'm going to apply my rule 2, which says that I have to simply take out the difference of absolute values. So when I take out the difference of 400 and minus 2, the answer is, so answer comes out to be 298. But again, I have to see when I take out the absolute value of 400, it is 400, and the absolute value of 102 is 102. So bigger is 400 and 400 has a positive sign, so my answer is going to be 298. So guys, this is it for this video. If you like my content, please drop a comment and like my videos, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.